Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. How to inspect wipers that won't shut off. Is your car's windshield wiper refusing to turn off? This nuisance is more than just an annoyance, it can be a real safety hazard. When wipers won't stop, it can distract your focus from the road and lead to dangerous situations. Understanding why your wipers won't shut off is crucial. The problem could stem from faulty wiring, a bad switch, or even a malfunctioning motor. Knowing the cause helps ensure you get timely repairs and maintain a safe driving experience. Stick with us as we walk you through the inspection process to diagnose and fix this issue. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear action plan to restore your wipers' functionality and keep your drive smooth and worry-free. Common causes of wipers not shutting off. When your windshield wipers refuse to stop, it can be a frustrating and potentially dangerous problem. Knowing the root cause is key to fixing it. Let's dive into the common reasons why this might happen. Faulty wiper motor. A faulty wiper motor is often the culprit when wipers won't turn off. The motor is the heart of the wiper system, sending power to move the blades. If it malfunctions, it may fail to receive the signal to stop, causing the wipers to keep running incessantly. Signs of a faulty wiper motor. Continuous operation. Wipers keep moving even when switched off. Strange noises. Unusual sounds like grinding or whining. Irregular speed. Wipers change speed without adjustment. If you notice any of these signs, the motor might need inspection or replacement. Defective wiper switch. A defective wiper switch can also cause wipers to remain active. The switch controls the power flow to the wiper motor. If it's broken or worn out, it might send continuous electricity to the motor, keeping the wipers in motion. Symptoms of a faulty wiper switch. Switch not responding. Turning the switch off doesn't stop the wipers. Inconsistent wiper function. Wipers work intermittently. Loose or stiff switch. Difficulty in toggling the switch. A simple test or a professional diagnosis can confirm if the switch is to blame. Electrical issues. Electrical issues are another common reason for wipers not shutting off. These problems can include short circuits, damaged wiring, or faulty relays. Electrical malfunctions can be tricky since they might involve different parts of your car's wiring system. Potential electrical problems. Short circuits. A direct connection between live wires, causing continuous power flow. Damaged wiring. Wires that are frayed or broken. Faulty relays. Relays that stick in the on position. These issues often require a thorough checkup by a professional to pinpoint and fix the exact problem. By understanding these common causes, you can better troubleshoot your wiper issue and take the necessary steps to resolve it. Stay tuned as we continue exploring more ways to inspect and fix wipers that won't shut off. Step-by-step inspection process. When faced with wipers that won't shut off, following a systematic inspection can save you time and hassle. Let's break it down into manageable steps to identify and fix the issue. Preliminary checks. Before diving deep into the inspection, start with some basic checks. These initial steps can often reveal easy-to-fix problems and save you from more extensive troubleshooting. Check the wiper switch. Ensure the switch is in the off position. Toggle the switch a few times to ensure it's not stuck. Examine the fuse. Locate your car's fuse box, usually under the dashboard or in the engine compartment. Find the fuse diagram inside the fuse box cover or in the owner's manual. Pull out the fuse for the wiper motor and inspect it. If it's blown, replace it with a fuse of the same rating. Simple fixes like these can sometimes resolve the issue quickly. Inspecting the wiper motor. The wiper motor is central to the system. If it's faulty, the wipers might continue to run regardless of the switch position. Here's how to check it. Disconnect the wiper motor. Open the hood and locate the wiper motor. Disconnect the electrical connector from the motor. Test the motor. Reconnect the connector and turn the wipers on, then off. If the motor runs even when the switch is off, the motor may be at fault. Inspect electrical connections. Look for corroded or loose connections. Ensure that all wiring is securely fastened and in good condition. If the motor appears faulty, it may need cleaning or replacement. Evaluating the wiper switch. The wiper switch sends signals to the motor to start and stop. If this switch fails, it can send continuous power to the motor. Here's how to test it. Use a multimeter. Set the multimeter to measure resistance, ohms. Disconnect the switch from the wiring harness. Check the switch's operation. Connect the multimeter probes to the switch terminals. Toggle the switch and observe the readings. A functioning switch will show continuity in some positions and none in others. Inspect visually. Look for signs of wear, corrosion, or damage. Ensure the switch moves smoothly without sticking. A faulty switch often needs replacement to ensure proper wiper function. Checking the electrical system. Electrical issues like shorts or faulty relays can keep wipers running. Here's how to inspect the electrical system. Inspect wiring. Look for frayed, broken, or exposed wires. Ensure that wiring is not pinched or damaged. Check relays. Locate the wiper relay, usually in the fuse box or under the dashboard. Swap it with a similar relay from another system, like the horn, to test if the relay is the issue. Test for short circuits. Use a multimeter to check for continuity between positive and ground wires. A short circuit will show continuity where there shouldn't be any. These detailed checks help you narrow down the cause of the persistent wiper problem, guiding you to an effective solution. Make sure each step is thoroughly completed for a comprehensive inspection. That's it for Part 1. We've covered the initial inspection steps. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll dive deeper into troubleshooting and fixing the issue. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.